Some days there's no one else.
Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Nonya Odiri, and on this channel I share fashion, beauty and lifestyle videos. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you guys, and it's going to be an unboxing of my Louis Vuitton Alma BB bag. I recently just purchased this from the Louis Vuitton website, and I'm so excited to share with you guys this video. I'm going to be unboxing and showing you what you're going to get if you order online. Also, we'll be talking about the quality, the bag, all that good stuff, and if I think that it's going to be a good purchase for you to make in 2020. So if you are interested in seeing the Louis Vuitton Alma BB, and if you want to know if this is a good buy for 2020, please keep on watching. Alright guys, before we jump into the video, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing down below. It will mean the world to me if you do. Also hit the notification bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a video. Okay guys, so before we get into the boxing, I'm just going to talk to you guys a little bit about the bag that I did purchase, and I'm also going to go through some of the key reasons that made me purchase this bag. So if you would just like to see the unboxing, I will leave timestamps and you can go straight to the unboxing part of the video. But if you are considering getting this bag in 2020 and you just want to find out more information, or you want to know if this is going to be a good purchase for you, I'm going to run through a few of the things that I thought about, like my thought process before I decided on the Alma BB. Now, the Alma BB that I did get, I got in the Damier Ebene print, and I'll pop a picture right here. Now, the Alma BB comes in, I think, the classic monogram, and I have seen like a denim one of it on the Louis Vuitton website. So they do have the Alma BB style in a few different prints, but I think the two most popular are the Damier Ebene and the classic monogram. Now I decided on the Damier Ebene because I know that the classic monogram, you have to be a little bit more careful because of the leather that is used. That could stain, like if you get wine or something on it. It's just a little bit more, you have to be a little bit more careful with that bag. So I wanted something that I could schlep around and I wouldn't have to think too much about. So because of that, I decided to go with the Damier Ebene. So now I'm going to run you through a few of the reasons why I decided to go with the Alma BB instead of another style of bag. So the first one being price. Now the Alma BB, while it's not a cheap bag, I'm not even going to say cheap because it's not. It's actually one of the more affordable options that you can get on the Louis Vuitton website. The Alma BB retails for $1,430 on the Louis Vuitton website. Now, for that price, I could either do the Alma BB or I could do the Neverfull. I think it's the Neverfull PM or the Graceful PM, I think. But I didn't want any of those bags because I realized that I am someone who likes smaller bags. I don't really like the large bags. So that's one of the reasons why I decided to go for the Alma BB. So first thing was price. It's actually one of the more affordable options on the Louis Vuitton website. So if you're just getting your feet wet, if you're just starting with making luxury purchases and you don't want to go overboard or your budget doesn't allow for you to do that, the Alma BB is a good way to start because it is one of the more affordable options on the Louis Vuitton website. So the second reason why I decided to go for the Alma BB was resale value. Now, when you buy luxury, one of the reasons why a lot of people like to invest in luxury bags is because they know that they can resell the bag and get a good chunk of money back. So when I was researching to make a purchase, a luxury purchase, I wanted to get a bag that if I wanted to resell it in future, I could get at least a substantial part of my money back. So that was my thinking. And I decided to go with Louis Vuitton because Louis Vuitton, as we all know, is one of those brands that keeps its resale value. So that was one of the reasons why I decided to go with Louis Vuitton, because I wanted to be able to sell my bag and to get something back, girl, you never know what's going to happen in future. You don't know if, you're going to need some money, if you want to get rid of the bag, if you get tired of it. I didn't want to make a luxury purchase that I will be stuck with a bag and I won't be able to resell it. So doing my research, I went on a few pre-loved websites like Fashion File, and I did see this bag retailing for about $1,300 pre-loved. And I was like, wow, that's really, really high. So that was one of the reasons that made me decide on the Alma BB. It's a very popular bag. People love the bag and it holds its own in the resale market. The final reason why I decided to go with the Alma BB is because celebrities love this bag. Like when I was researching, I kept seeing pictures of Rihanna carrying it. I saw pictures of Kendall Jenner carrying it. And if you know me, you know I love Riri. Like I follow her style. I think she's just a style icon. I love everything about Rihanna. And I was like, girl, if this bag is good enough for Rihanna, it's certainly good enough for me. So that's why I decided to go with the Alma BB. So if you are thinking of, of spending something and you're thinking of getting a luxury purchase, maybe from Louis Vuitton, this might be a good way to go. I absolutely loved my purchase, and I'm going to show you guys right now how everything comes when you order it from the Louis Vuitton website online. So let's jump straight to the unboxing part of the video. Okay guys, so this is how the box comes. I hope you guys can't see my address. This is how the box comes, and to be honest, when it came like this, I was like, ugh. Like I was not impressed. I didn't even know it was the bag. I thought it was something else that I ordered until I looked and I saw obviously the Louis Vuitton print on it, and I was like, I was expecting like a prettier box or something. But no worries, don't be scared if it comes that way, because when you open it, you get you get the Louis Vuitton box. So guys, this is the box that you get. This is the classic Louis Vuitton box. Okay, so the first thing you get is this Louis Vuitton envelope, and inside it obviously is all the documentation. So yeah, so you have the, I think this is a return label in case you want to return it. This is your receipt, and of course everything comes with the Louis Vuitton monogram on it. So in the duffel bag you can see the Louis Vuitton logo, and then when you open it, oh my god, isn't this the cutest, littlest bag ever? I love this bag. When I opened it, so I'm just gonna come closer. When I opened it, I was like, oh my god, it smells like leather. I don't know. So this is how it looks. Like I said, I got it in the Damier Ebene print, and this is how the Damier Ebene print looks. I'll pop a picture somewhere of the classic monogram. It's in the same shape or style. I don't know what this shape is, like a cylinder or a triangle. Yeah, maybe like a triangle but curved. That's how it is, and this is how it looks, guys. I really love this bag. Inside the bag is actually red. It comes with like a red interior, and you do get a side pocket. I don't know if I can show you guys. You do get like a side pocket for, I don't know, maybe cards. So it does come with the crossbody handle. This wasn't attached, it just came in the box, and you definitely will attach that itself. I don't know if you guys can see, it does have the Louis Vuitton print on the sides of the crossbody, so it does have the LV imprinted on it. I'm just gonna attach this so I can show you guys. Also, you get a padlock, and to me this was like one of the main reasons why I got this bag. I love this little padlock here. I'm gonna come close. I'm gonna try and come close so you guys can see the padlock. Can you see? And it's got the LV logo on it. So at the back it just says Louis Vuitton, and then in the front it's LV. The key is actually in the bag, and it's in this pouch right here. So if you push that down, you can see where the key is. So I'm just gonna open the padlock, see? So I've unlocked that. That's the padlock attached, and I love that. This is the handle for the key. Honestly, guys, this is such a classy little handbag. I have worn this, and everywhere I go, people are always complimenting it. Oh, I love your bag. How much was it? I love the size. It's so cute. It's so dainty, so versatile. It's a really feminine piece, and yeah, like you definitely will enjoy this bag. Another reason why I love it is that it's got like these sort stoppers at the end. I don't know what they're called, but this is basically to balance the bag and to stop the bag from obviously getting wear and tear when you put it down. So when you do place it down, it's staying on these gold stoppers right here, and the bag isn't getting, you know, wear and tear from placing it on surfaces. So I think that that's also a very nice touch as well. So yeah, I was really happy with this purchase. I don't regret it at all. Again, for those reasons that I gave you guys, the price, the versatility, the resale value, popularity, the fact that people love this bag. So I thought that it would be such a good purchase. I'm really happy to have this bag as part of my collection. Okay guys, that's my video for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did, do let me know by leaving me a comment in the comment section down below. Also guys, remember to thumbs up this video, guys. So it really does help me when you do that. It helps me know that you guys love the content that I'm putting out, and it helps me know the type of content that you guys will love to see. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button down below, and also the notification bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Remember to stay safe. Now I'll see you all in my next video. Take care.